Hello there and welcome to gcsemathematicsforyou.com. My name is Alan Young and I have taught mathematics for over 30 years. You probably realise that revising for mathematics is not like revising for other subjects. There's really only one way that works with mathematics, and that is to tackle GCSE type questions, a great number of them. That way you can identify the parts of the topics that you don't really understand as well as you thought and that are causing you difficulties. Now, one thing I learned quite a while ago is that if you only do what everyone else does, you will only achieve what everyone else achieves. Unfortunately, many people learn this lesson far too late in life. With the increased competition for jobs and university places these days, it's more important than ever to get the very best GCSE grade you possibly can, and a few extra marks can easily push you up over a grade boundary so that you achieve your desired result. So where do you find enough examples to practice with? Well, you'll naturally think of using the exercises in your textbook, but here you will immediately come across two problems. The first problem is you've already covered just about every exercise in your textbook and you don't really want to go over them all again. What you would very much like is some new material. The second problem is probably a little bit more serious. The second problem is that in textbooks, the answers to the exercises are given in the back of the book, but no method is shown. This means that if you can't get the answer given and you really can't work out where you went wrong, well, you're well and truly stuck. So you will find GCSE Mathematics for You a breath of fresh air. You can download all the questions you want from the home page free of charge, together with the answers for the higher level graphs module as a sample. We do make a small charge for the rest of the answers to cover development costs, but these are not just any old answers. Every problem is given a fully worked answer to show you exactly how to proceed. For instance, in question 1 of the graphs module, which asks you to find the equations of straight lines drawn on sets of axes, we not only show you the working of the whole problem, but we use cartoon characters to explain the concepts and give extra hints where appropriate. And here, for example, we remind you, when finding the gradient of a line, not just to count the squares, but to take account of the scales on the axes. When there is more than one way of solving a problem, we will often explain the alternative method and when it's more appropriate to use one method rather than the other. So please don't be one of those people who just does what everyone else does. Purchase the fully worked answers to the other modules now and you will be well on your way to the examination success you so deserve. I'm sure it'll be one of the best investments you ever make. So thank you for watching, and I hope you achieve the grade that you really want.